Write the equation of a line with a slope of 1/2 that contains the point 0, 5. So remember that the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So I know that my equation is going to be y equals 1/2 x, because the slope is 1/2, plus something. So the y-intercept here is 0, 5, because x equals 0. So when x equals 0, we are on the y-axis. So the point 0, 5 is the y-intercept. Write the equation of a vertical line that contains the point 8, -2. So vertical means up and down. And a vertical line always has the equation x equals something, because on a vertical line, all of the x values are the same. So here, if we have the point 8, 2, and we have a vertical line that goes through it, then the equation of this line would be x equals 8. And then a horizontal line is going the other way. So a horizontal line is always going to be of the form y equals something. So the point -5, -1 is, let's see, -5, -1, right about there. Horizontal line would go like that through the point. So this would be the line y equals -1. So then we want a line that contains the points 3, 2, and 4, -2. So the first thing we're going to do is graph the points. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, -2. Okay, so we graph those points. What is the slope? So next we want to, well, we can draw this line. We can draw a slope triangle here. We went down 1, 2, 3, 4, and we went over 1. So our rise over run, or the change in y, it goes down 4, and the change in x goes over 1. So the slope of the line is -4. The y-intercept, let's see, I'd have to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, so it's one more up there. So the y-intercept of this line is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. 0, 14. So the equation of the line is y equals -4x plus 14. Miss Jones can bake 100 cookies in 1 hour. How many cookies can she bake in 1 day? Clearly show your thinking. So if she can bake 100 cookies in 1 hour, I'm going to make a table. And in my table, I've got I'll put hours and cookies. So in 1 hour, she makes 100 cookies. In 2 hours, she makes 200, 3 hours, 300, and so on. So I want to know in 1 day. 1 day is 24 hours. So if I follow this and I go to 24 hours, how many cookies can she make? Well, let's see. 1 to 24 is times 24. So that means 100 to 24 must be times 24. 100 times 24 is 2400. So she can bake 2400 cookies in 1 day. If she bakes all day long for 24 hours. That means she doesn't sleep at all. When Miss Peters was in high school, she made $15 an hour babysitting. If she regularly babysat for a family every Friday night for 4 hours, How much money did she make in 4 months? So this is tricky. So $15 an hour. So let's see, 1 hour equals $15. So that means 4 hours equals, I multiplied, so I need to multiply times 4. 15 times 4 would be $60. So $60 in 4 hours. So every Friday night, she makes $60. But I want to know how much money in 4 months. So let's see. There are 4 weeks in a month. So $60 every night times 4 weeks equals $240 every month. And then we get $240 times 4 months is, let's see, 200 times 4 is 800. 40 times 4 is 160, so that would be $960. So I would make $960 in 4 months. Write the following function. So you could have many different answers. So we want a function that has an input of 4 and an output of 10. So let's see, one thing we could do is just add 6. So if we input 4, that would be x plus 6. If we input 4, we add 6, and we get 10. A function where g of 5 equals negative 10. So that means if we plug in 5, then we get out negative 10. So I could multiply that times negative 2. So g of x equals negative 2x. Those are just 2 different examples. You could have many different examples here. Like another one that could work, for this one, we could have f of x equals, let's see, we input 4, so we multiply that times 2. So 2x, 2 times 4 is 8, but we want to get out 10, so we need to add 2. Here, we could have f of x equals, or sorry, this is g of x. G of x equals x minus 15, because to go from 5 to negative 10, you'd have to subtract 15. There are lots of different answers.